Wow, this is the skywalk here, if you're afraid of heights. And we're looking straight down. There's an entire another sky ride below us. Bangkok, this is great, the hustle and bustle. I love this city. And today I'm gonna explore some various parts of the city, roaming around, getting a bit of food, seeing the sights. I'm gonna take you with me. And Alvin, hello, he's joining me for the ride. Two hungry guys out looking for some food. I think we've determined it's chicken porridge. Alvin, chicken porridge?
Chicken porridge.
An egg on top. Where are we heading?
Wat Saket.
Cup and cup.
Nope.
All right, look at that. Oh, there it is. That's the hard part. We got to walk all the way up there. So immediately coming in here, there's 344 steps, but we're in this shaded area with the trees, a lot of fresh air. We get the waterfalls coming down. Monks are going up. School children are here. A really good vibe. So I should say we paid 50 baht to get in, around about $1.50. A pretty good bargain for this. Well, that was 344 easy steps to get up here, and you get the entire view of Bangkok. It's well worth the money. And up here, inside, you don't have to take your shoes off this time. Inside, you're treated to all the golden temple madness up here, so you can walk around. But really, I think the beauty of this temple is to get up and get the whole view of the city of Bangkok. 360 degrees, we're gonna walk around.
Thailand #1?
Thailand #1!
That's right. This is the actual top up here. I was mistaken. You go up some steep steps and then you're up here. You have your temples and then you have things like this. That bus is pimping.
Hello.
Talat Noi? Okay, we just made it here to Talat Noi, and this is this hip, upcoming neighborhood. A lot of street art in here, some food. We're gonna get lost in this place.
Yeah.
Do you know where we're going?
I don't know.
This place is pretty cool. You got the murals, some art exhibition up here as well. This is Bangkok. It's a cool place. Old town, new things. So this appears to be like the main little alleyway, but in this area you can roam around all the different little alleyways and check out the just colors, get photographs. If you got your phone, take some Instagram shots. If you got a camera, do some videos. It's just worth exploring, spending a couple hours here. Wow, we just stumbled into this market here, and this is Chinatown after all. There's a festival going on today. There's incense burning. It's a proper wet market as well in here, so you can buy anything you want. What a cool place. Wow, it's crazy what you can stumble upon just roaming around the streets, talking with one of the locals here. Hi. This is the Chinese in Thailand. It's their vegetarian festival. That means for 9 days, they eat no meat, no alcohol, and no sex. Okay, I couldn't resist. I got a little sweet pastry bun here. What's this called?
Pendes. Pendes.
Pendes.
Yes.
It's a sweet red bean paste. It's good. It's good.
ก๋วยเตี๋ยวหลอด
Quick Talat.
ก๋วยเตี๋ยวหลอดเจ
Quick Talat Te.
So this is Talat Noi. I still don't know what we're eating here. We're gonna do a translate of this, but it's some vermicelli rice noodles with some tofu on top. Bearing in mind we're near the vegetarian festival, so I think it's all without meat as well. Wow, look at this. Some super simple rice noodles mixed in with some greens and what looks like you get your tofu here. These are mushrooms. And then you just kick it all up, put some of that chili paste on there. More chili sauce. The tofu shop right there. Try to get it all in at once. That is lunch. Just some random spot roaming around here. This is what it's all about in Thailand, in Bangkok. That's good. Right there, that says it all. Need more coffee. So this place is so hipster. Down there, they sell coffee. In addition to those cool stickers, up top, an art gallery. This whole area, this neighborhood, roam around. You never know what's going on. You might get a festival. You're gonna definitely get these art galleries, street art as well. Couldn't resist getting a coffee from this place here.
Simple flat white to go because we have to get going. We got some other spots to see.
Now this next place isn't for those who are afraid of heights, Alvin, because we're going all the way up to the top of this building here. This is the Mahanakhon Tower, and you can go up there. There's a skywalk. The only thing is it costs 880 Thai baht, and that's around 20 US dollars. Wow, just that elevator ride alone may have been worth it, but there's more to come. Right up to the top here is supposed to be the opposite, the glass deck. All right, we've made it up to the top, and it goes up further yet. 314 meters, I think around 78 floors. You get this glass viewpoint right here. This is the highest observation deck in all of Thailand. And look at this. If you're up for a sunset seat, this could be the place. And there's a good breeze up here too, as you'd expect. You get the massive view of the main Bangkok River. You see all the high rises, and we're up here on the biggest one. It really gives you an appreciation of the scale of this city, the capital of Thailand. Wow, if you guys are enjoying these travel videos as much as I am, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to support me making all this travel content, all the places I go, please consider giving a super thanks down below. Much appreciated, and thank you. Wow, this is the skywalk here. If you're afraid of heights, then you may not want to do this. I think I'm okay, and we're looking straight down. Wish I could show you, but I can't bring the camera over here, so you just have to think, looking 300 meters down, what that's like. There's an entire nether skyrise below us here. 880 bahts, but this is well worth it. You get the 360-degree panoramic of Bangkok. You get this skywalk here. It's super chill up here. Cool. Alvin, I think I have a new subscriber. You're gonna like and subscribe, right?
Of course.
Alvin did it. He's afraid of heights. You can do it too. So if you come up here, take it all the way. Get out there on that sky deck. Tastes good. Drop down in the comments what's been your favorite thing about Bangkok today. I'm gonna close it here. This is good.